Greetings, Twitch viewers. Twitch is not cooperating. I need to get Twitch in here. There we go. Finally, I don't know what's going on there. This Twitch was giving me a hard time to get started with there. There we go. All right. We are less than an hour away from Key West. Key West is actually, for practical matters, we're in Key West. I'm only 6 miles to the buoy. And here we go. What a long, strange trip it's been. Girls and boys, come on in and chat if you want to, lurk if you want to. We are finishing our 3,000-mile trip on the East Coast Greenway. Began in Calais, Maine, actually St. Stephen. Really started at Millinocket after coming off the Appalachian Trail, so that added 150 miles just getting from Millinocket to the Canadian border. And looking at my total mileage since I made those other loops, counting the trip out to Cape Cod and Provincetown. Gotta be a jackass everywhere, right? Anyway, total mileage, this trip 3,900 actual miles. Early start this morning. Happy solstice. We did it. You well know that I generally have some sort of pagan ritual on the solstice, usually building a fire. And when I started reverse engineering and made my reservations, it was irresistible. It was just too close. But On the way into Miami, I was 2 days ahead of schedule. Needed to take 2 days off anyway. That was 4, and then that long day getting through Miami added another 2 days. So if you are keeping up with this adventure, you'll know I've been lollygagging through the Keys, staying 2 nights in several places, and just to slow down, going light mileages. And this morning I had the last leg to go, the last 30 miles about. Got an early start, caught the sunrise back at Cool Joe Bridge, so I'll put some of those pictures up later, and should get a sunset today. Hopefully everything will go smoothly and we'll get on the Key West Express and head to Fort Myers. Fantastic trip I think I've ever taken. It's been mesmerizing almost every day since I left Millinocket. Almost had perfect weather. Just a few rainy days. It didn't amount to much. Haven't had too much hot weather except for a couple of days ago. Boy, it got kind of miserable a couple nights here in in the Keys. Mosquitoes got pretty bad for the last 3 weeks, really from up in North Carolina on down halfway through Florida. And then the last 3 or 4 days until last night, the no-see-ums were giving me hell. I was bit up like I had a rash on my legs and arms. But I survived. Cool breeze. You can take that to the grocery store and load up. Waited until I got kind of inside here because I want to make sure that the GoPro has enough battery, and it's only at about 75% starting off, but it should get us to the bouy where we will finish this live and we will finish the East Coast Greenway. Good strong signal too for our live. Should be getting some good video over there. cool this morning, actually. I don't know exactly how cool it was, maybe down about 55, but it was breezy. I still got my jacket on, lightweight jacket. Let's see, I'm not sure if I'm turning here. Wait for the navigator. Yeah, I need to go left. I think that's the first actual turn I've had on the Greenway since I was on PLR. Counting down the miles. 4 miles, probably a tad more. Got a nice scene over here on our left. People in their boats, a man and his dog, a fellow on his bicycle. Well, we'll get on. Might do it here